Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will help you fix Rainbow 6 error code 20000D00C. First, always check the game's server status page to see if there are any ongoing issues or scheduled maintenance. This error frequently points to a lost connection with the matchmaking service. Also, ensure your own internet connection is stable and performing as expected. A quick check can save you a lot of troubleshooting time. Next, let's optimize your network. A simple yet effective step is to power cycle your router and modem, unplug them for about 60 seconds, then plug them back in. If you are on Wi-Fi, try switching to a wired Ethernet connection for a more stable experience. You might also enable universal plug and play in your router settings, or manually forward ports like 80 and 443 for PlayStation, Xbox, or PC. Now, let's look at your system and game files. Ensure your network drivers are fully updated for the best performance. You should also verify the integrity of your game files using your game launcher, like Ubisoft Connect or Steam, to repair any corrupted data. Sometimes, your firewall or antivirus can block the game, so try temporarily disabling them to see if the error resolves. For more advanced troubleshooting, try flushing your DNS cache and renewing your IP address through your computer's command prompt. You could also switch your DNS server to a public option, like Google's, using 8.8.8.8. If all else fails, a complete reinstallation of Rainbow Six Siege can often resolve persistent issues by providing a fresh start. Remember to back up any important game data first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.